After sitting in the yard for less than a month, the motorcycle would not start. A slight diagnosis and a quick check revealed that it is the fuel pump. We ordered a fuel pump, a replacement fuel pump. However, it turned out to be slightly smaller, or shall we say shorter, than the original one. Thanks to our trusty metal worker, we managed to make an adapter so it would fit perfectly. The adapter made it possible for this shorter pump to actually fit perfectly within the casing of the fuel pump and fuel sender, and then disassembly and assembly was pretty much straightforward. As you can see from these photos, it is really not a difficult task. The only thing we really struggled with was pulling the entire fuel assembly out of the tank itself. Having said that, putting the pump back into the tank was very straightforward and we didn't struggle at all.